The purpose of the Manager Crash Course is to bring a variety of leaders together, all of who are facing a lot of the similar challenges of being managers or leaders. We kind of serve a niche to make sure that managers who are placed in a position of leadership actually have some sort of formal training that's maybe not offered through their own company.
We need to hire, so now what? This is, the first thought we get when somebody puts in a notice or, we get approval for a new position. We have a lot of tangible materials that people can walk away with plans or things to implement in their organization. And so seeing them walk away with, a change that they could possibly implement is always super rewarding.
We have a lot of conversations in our workplace. We have a lot of emotions. We have a lot of people or our own selves included. Heard great feedback of like, wow, I didn't know that. I've been doing it a little bit different this way. I'm gonna go collaborate with my internal team and see if we wanna improve upon this, or just make sure we're all on the same page. The first part of the sessions is really focused on the soft skills of being a leader. So a lot about communication and hiring right and building loyalty and engagement on their teams. And the second half of the sessions is really more focused on the legal and compliant aspects of being a manager.
As everybody's saying, it was very informative. A lot of things that I didn't know about that now I could take back to work and further discuss with my assisting manager. But yeah, no, overall I thought it was a great course.
To learn more about any of our HR Annie events, and especially our HR Annie Manager Crash Course, head to our website. Fill out our contact us form and we'll get you on our newsletter, and you can learn all about all of the things that we're doing.